Hi guys, you want to know my first experience going in a flight? I vomited and my mom was breastfeeding me and I still had fun then. Just 6 months old and my name was also in the plane ticket. So we also went to Kerala to celebrate my brother's birthday. Are you excited to see my video of those days? So make sure to also like, share and subscribe and make sure to go to my mom's video.
Hello everyone, I'm Shlo's sister Shreem and this is my first flight. I'm going to fly for the first time. I'm so excited.
Breastfeeding is always suggested in flights for young infants, and she wanted to eat everything without having teeth. This is her granny and me. We were trying to pacify her, and this is the brother. He was upset for something in the airport after reaching Kochi, and this is the time what we spent inside the flight. But she had little vomiting, little uneasiness, but she was very fine after some time, and we had a successful flight.